In this video, we are going to discuss about switch statement, also known as multi-way branch statement in Java. They are used in order to execute single statement from provided multiple conditions. As you know that while we are working in Java, we work with if statement. In previous example, as we discussed that when I am feeling hungry, and my option is yes, I go and eat food, else I go and drink water, which is a simple example of two-way decision statement, if, else. And in case, if I am going to eat something, I have availability of some specific food with me, then I use nested if, else, that is decision making statement inside a decision statement. So this is a condition when I am using to select a choice of food of my own when I feel hungry. So if I have a list of long or number of foods available with me are large, like I have an availability of pizza, burger, noodles, sandwich and salad with me, and I have to select one of the food and eat it. So using if as inside if block is quite long and complicated. Instead, I can use switch statement in which I provide choice of my own that what specific food I want to eat and then eat according to me and get or come out of the code, which make my code simple, clean and smart with a single provided option of my choice. It is just like while you are going and watching a TV and you want to select particular channel, like I want to watch a movie or a cartoon. So as you switch on your remote, in a similar way, we can switch in my program. So switch statement, I have to declare a variable to store expression or a choice which you want to select. With when we declare a variable or option you want to select, we pass it inside a keyword switch in a bracket. And if I pass this value in a bracket, I mention some cases inside a switch. Say case 1, say I want to eat pizza. Case 2, I want to eat burger. Or in case I do not want to eat anything, I will explain that I want to drink juice. So in this way, you can execute the switch statement. Expression for switch statement is like switch, an expression or a variable, then case value 1, code of block break. Break value if I am in switch statement and I provide value say choice 1. And choice 1 is I want to eat pizza. Choice 1 is available with me and it go to my case say value 1 and case 1 matches to my expression, then my code will execute and using break statement I come out of the code. So in this way we come and continue with the programming. So the flowchart of statement is I give the expression, expression gets saved, and if the value of expression matches to the given case, the code of block will get executed. If the provided case do not matches to the given cases available in switch, I provide a default case. That is in case expression do not match to any of the value present in switch statement, then it execute the value of default statement. The code will execute it and our program will end. So we will do it practically. In my Eclipse, I have created a class named menu select and here I want to select to each a food of my choice. So I will provide a variable say int choice equal to I say 1 and then I will give a statement say switch. Here I will write an expression choice here. Say like this, then opening curly bracket. Here I will give case 1, which is value of my option, and I will write here system dot out dot println want to eat pizza followed by comma and then break statement. This used to come out of the case. Then case 2, dot out dot println and want to eat burger and then break. Case 3, and then default case. 1, 2 and 3 conditions are not provided. In that case, default case will execute and it will say system.out.println want to drink juice. This is, I created my switch statement, I save it and let the program. Right now I provided my choice as 1. So see, on providing choice 1, you will get, I want to eat pizza. Now I will provide choice 2 and run this. You can see the output is, I want to eat burger. Now I provide choice 3 and you can see my choice is, I want to eat noodles. Now 1, 2, 3 are the options available in my switch statement. I will give a choice, say 9. What happens? You will see that I want to drink juice will get executed. So if any number which is not matching to the numbers of cases present inside the switch, then a default statement will get executed and then we come or exit out of the program. So in this way, using switch statement, you can provide a multiple choice to a system and select one option. So using this switch statement, you can create a simple calculator or can print a day from the weekdays available or print a print a month in an available calendar. So this is an exercise you can do using your switch statement. Thank you.